Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of quality planning and assurance within project management. Quality isn't just a buzzword, it's the backbone of successful projects. Whether you're launching a new product, building infrastructure, or developing software, ensuring quality at every step is crucial. In this video, we'll explore what quality means in a project context, why it matters, and how you can embed it into your processes from the very beginning. Let's start by understanding the core concepts and setting the stage for a journey toward project excellence. Quality in project management is all about meeting or exceeding stakeholder expectations. It's not just about avoiding defects, it's about delivering value. This means understanding what your client or end user truly wants and ensuring your project outcomes align with those needs. Quality is measured by how well the project deliverables fulfill the requirements, standards, and objectives set at the outset. By defining quality early, you set a clear target for your team and stakeholders, making it easier to manage and measure success. Quality planning is the process of identifying which quality standards are relevant to your project and determining how to satisfy them. It's a proactive approach, setting the foundation for quality before any work begins. During this phase, you'll define quality objectives, select standards, and outline the processes and tools needed to achieve them. By planning for quality, you reduce the risk of costly rework and ensure everyone is aligned on what success looks like. This step is essential for building trust and confidence among stakeholders. In planning for quality, several elements come into play. First, you need to identify the quality standards that apply to your project. These could be industry benchmarks, regulatory requirements, or internal guidelines. Next, determine the metrics you'll use to measure quality. Will you track defect rates, customer satisfaction, or process efficiency? Finally, develop a quality management plan that details roles, responsibilities, and procedures for ensuring quality throughout the project lifecycle. These elements work together to create a roadmap for quality success. Quality assurance (QA) is all about providing confidence that quality requirements will be fulfilled. Unlike quality control, which focuses on detecting defects, QA is proactive. It involves systematic activities and processes designed to prevent issues before they arise. QA includes process audits, training, and continuous improvement initiatives. By embedding QA into your project, you create a culture where quality is everyone's responsibility, not just the job of a single department or individual. It's important to distinguish between quality control (QC) and quality assurance (QA). While QA focuses on preventing defects through process improvements, QC is about identifying and correcting defects in the final deliverables. QC activities include inspections, testing, and reviews. Both are essential, but they serve different purposes. QA sets the stage for quality, while QC ensures the end product meets the defined standard. Together, they form a comprehensive approach to managing quality in projects. Quality Management Plan is a document that outlines how quality will be managed throughout the project. It includes the quality standards, metrics, roles, and responsibilities, as well as the processes for quality assurance and control. This plan serves as a reference for the entire team, ensuring everyone understands their part in achieving quality objectives. By documenting your approach, you make it easier to monitor progress, identify issues, and implement improvements as needed. Quality objectives are specific, measurable goals that define what success looks like for your project. These could include targets for defect rates, customer satisfaction scores, or process efficiency. Setting clear objectives helps align the team and provides a basis for measuring progress. Objectives should be realistic, achievable, and directly tied to stakeholder expectations. By establishing these goals early, you create a shared vision for quality and a roadmap for achieving it. Quality standards provide the benchmarks against which project deliverables are measured. These standards may come from industry regulations, client requirements, or internal policies. It's important to identify all relevant standards early in the project to avoid surprises later on. By understanding the standards that apply, you can ensure your project meets legal, safety, and performance requirements and delivers value to stakeholders. Metrics are the tools you use to measure quality. They provide objective data on how well your project is performing against its quality objectives. Common metrics include defect rates, rework levels, customer satisfaction, and process efficiency. Selecting the right metrics is crucial. They should be relevant, easy to measure, and actionable. By tracking these metrics, you can identify trends, spot issues early, and make informed decisions to keep your project on track. Quality is a team effort. Everyone involved in the project has a role to play in ensuring quality standards are met. The project manager leads the charge, but team members, stakeholders, and even suppliers contribute to quality outcomes. Clearly defining roles and responsibilities helps avoid confusion and ensures accountability. When everyone knows what's expected of them, it's easier to maintain high standards and deliver successful results. There are many tools and techniques available to support quality planning and assurance. These include checklists, flowcharts, cause and effect diagrams, and statistical process control. Each tool serves a different purpose, from identifying potential issues to monitoring ongoing performance. By selecting the right tools for your project, you can streamline quality processes, reduce errors, and make continuous improvement. Process audits are a key part of quality assurance. They involve reviewing project processes to ensure they're being followed correctly and are effective in delivering quality outcomes. Audits can identify gaps, inefficiencies, or areas for improvement. Regular audits help maintain high standards and provide opportunities for learning and growth within the team. By making audits a routine part of your project, you foster a culture of accountability and excellence. Training is essential for building a quality-focused team. By providing training on quality standards, tools, and processes, you empower your team to deliver their best work. Training can cover technical skills, process improvements, or even soft skills like communication and problem solving. Investing in training not only improves project outcomes but also boosts morale and engagement among team members. Continuous improvement is a core principle of quality management. It means always looking for ways to do things better, whether that's streamlining processes, reducing errors, or increasing customer satisfaction. Techniques like Plan, Do, Check, Act, PDCA, and Six Sigma are commonly used to drive improvement. By fostering a mindset of continuous improvement, you ensure your project stays competitive and delivers lasting value. Documentation is vital for maintaining quality. By clearly documenting your quality processes, standards, and procedures, you create a reference that guides the team and supports consistency. Good documentation also makes it easier to onboard new team members, conduct audits, and demonstrate compliance to stakeholders. Keep your documentation clear, concise, and up to date for best results. Stakeholders play a crucial role in defining and maintaining quality. Their expectations shape the quality objectives and standards for the project. Engaging stakeholders early and often ensures their needs are understood and addressed. Regular communication, feedback sessions, and reviews help keep everyone aligned and reduce the risk of misunderstandings or missed requirements. Risk management and quality planning go hand in hand. By identifying potential risks to quality early, you can develop strategies to mitigate them. This might include additional testing, process changes, or contingency plans. Proactively managing risks helps ensure your project stays on track and meets its quality objectives, even when unexpected challenges arise. Suppliers and vendors can have a significant impact on project quality. It's important to set clear quality expectations with suppliers and monitor their performance throughout the project. This may involve audits, inspections, or performance reviews. By managing supplier quality, you reduce the risk of defects and ensure your project deliverables meet the required standards. Ultimately, quality is about satisfying the customer. This means delivering products or services that meet or exceed their expectations. Regularly measuring customer satisfaction through surveys, feedback, or reviews helps you gauge how well you're meeting their needs. High customer satisfaction is a strong indicator that your quality planning and assurance efforts are paying off. Reviews and inspections are essential quality control activities. They involve examining project deliverables to ensure they meet the defined standards and requirements. Reviews can be formal or informal and may include walkthroughs, peer reviews, or client inspections. By conducting regular reviews, you catch issues early and maintain high standards throughout the project. Testing is a hands-on way to verify that project deliverables meet quality standards. This could include functional testing, performance testing, or user acceptance testing depending on the project type. Testing helps identify defects, validate requirements, and ensure the final product is fit for purpose. A well-planned testing process is key to delivering high-quality results. When issues are identified, it's important to take corrective action. This means addressing the root cause of the problem, not just fixing the symptoms. Corrective actions may involve process changes, additional training, or updates to documentation. By taking prompt and effective action, you prevent similar issues from occurring in the future and continuously improve project quality. Preventive actions are steps taken to avoid potential quality issues before they occur. This might include updating procedures, providing additional training, or implementing new tools. Preventive actions are a proactive way to maintain high standards and reduce the risk of defects. By focusing on prevention, you save time and resources in the long run. Effective communication is key to managing quality. Regular quality reports keep stakeholders informed about progress, issues, and improvements. Reports should be clear, concise, and focused on actionable information. By communicating openly about quality, you build trust and ensure everyone is working toward the same goals. Projects often involve change, and managing that change is critical for maintaining quality. Change management processes help ensure that any changes to scope, requirements, or processes are evaluated for their impact on quality. By controlling changes, you avoid unintended consequences and keep your project aligned with its quality objectives. Capturing lessons learned is an important part of quality management. By documenting what worked well and what didn't, you create a valuable resource for future projects. Lessons learned help teams avoid repeating mistakes and build on past successes. Make it a habit to review and share lessons learned at key project milestones. Agile projects approach quality a bit differently. Quality is built into every iteration with frequent reviews, testing, and feedback loops. Agile teams focus on delivering value quickly while maintaining high standards. By embracing flexibility and continuous improvement, Agile projects can adapt to changing requirements without sacrificing quality. Traditional waterfall projects, quality is often managed through detailed planning and sequential phases. Each phase includes specific quality checks and approvals before moving to the next. While this approach provides structure, it can be less flexible than Agile methods. However, with thorough planning and clear standards, waterfall projects can achieve high levels of quality and predictability. Quality certifications, such as ISO 9001, demonstrate a commitment to quality standards. These certifications provide a framework for managing quality and can enhance your organization's reputation. Achieving certification involves meeting specific requirements and undergoing regular audits. Certifications can also open doors to new business opportunities and markets. Cost of quality includes all expenses related to ensuring and maintaining quality, as well as the costs of failing to meet standards. This includes prevention costs, appraisal costs, and the costs of defects. Investing in quality upfront can save money in the long run by reducing rework, delays, and customer complaints. Understanding the cost of quality helps you make informed decisions about where to focus your efforts. Quality is a key driver of project success. Projects that meet or exceed quality standards are more likely to satisfy stakeholders, achieve business objectives, and deliver lasting value. By prioritizing quality planning and assurance, you set your project up for success from the start. Remember, quality isn't a one-time effort, it's a continuous journey. Strong quality culture is essential for sustained success. This means fostering an environment where everyone values quality and takes ownership of their work. Leadership plays a key role in setting the tone, but every team member contributes. Encourage open communication, recognize achievements, and support continuous learning to build a culture where quality thrives. Quality governance refers to the structures and processes that ensure quality is managed effectively across the organization. This includes policies, standards, and oversight mechanisms. Good governance helps align quality efforts with business objectives and ensures accountability at all levels. By establishing clear governance, you create a foundation for consistent, high-quality results. Ethical behavior is closely linked to quality. Acting with integrity, honesty, and transparency helps build trust with stakeholders and supports high-quality outcomes. Ethical lapses can lead to shortcuts, defects, and reputational damage. By making ethics a core part of your quality management approach, you protect your project and your organization. Technology plays a growing role in quality management. Tools like project management software, automated testing, and data analytics can streamline processes and improve accuracy. By leveraging technology, you can monitor quality in real time, identify issues quickly, and make data-driven decisions. Stay up to date with the latest tools to keep your quality management practices effective and efficient. Remote and distributed teams present unique challenges for quality management. Communication, collaboration, and oversight can be more difficult when team members are not co-located. To maintain quality, use clear processes, regular check-ins, and collaborative tools. Foster a sense of connection and accountability, even when working from a distance. Sustainability is becoming an important aspect of quality. Projects that consider environmental and social impacts are more likely to deliver long-term value. Incorporate sustainability goals into your quality planning by selecting eco-friendly materials, reducing waste, and considering the broader impact of your project. Sustainable quality practices benefit both your organization and the community. Innovation projects often involve uncertainty and rapid change. Managing quality in these environments requires flexibility and a willingness to experiment. Focus on learning from failures, adapting quickly, and maintaining high standards even as you explore new ideas. By balancing innovation with quality, you can deliver breakthrough results without sacrificing reliability. Complex projects with many moving parts require robust quality management. This means breaking down large tasks, coordinating across teams, and maintaining clear communication. Use detailed plans, regular reviews, and strong leadership to keep quality on track. In complex environments, attention to detail and proactive management are key to success. Any projects must comply with regulatory requirements related to quality. This could include safety standards, environmental regulations, or industry-specific rules. Staying compliant requires careful planning, documentation, and regular audits. By making compliance a priority, you avoid legal issues and ensure your project meets all necessary standards. Quality management looks different in product and service projects. For products, quality often focuses on features, performance, and durability. For services, it's about reliability, responsiveness, and customer experience. Tailor your quality planning and assurance efforts to the unique needs of your project type for the best results. Every project faces challenges when it comes to quality. These might include tight deadlines, limited resources, or changing requirements. The key is to stay flexible, communicate openly, and keep quality at the forefront of decision-making. By anticipating challenges and responding proactively, you can maintain high standards even under pressure. Recognizing and celebrating quality achievements boosts morale and reinforces the importance of quality. Celebrate milestones, successful audits, or positive feedback from customers. Public recognition encourages the team to keep striving for excellence and builds a positive quality culture within your organization. Quality planning and assurance are essential for project success. By setting clear standards, engaging stakeholders, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, you can deliver projects that meet or exceed expectations. Remember, quality is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, adapting, and striving for excellence in every project you undertake. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of quality in project management.